Thank you for stopping by. So today I wanted to show you an idea how to seal without resin, and it is with Mod Podge. I know, not the typical idea for sure. This was something that I had researched online, and I didn't quite find any other alternatives besides the spray. And thinking back to other craft projects I've done, I was thinking, why not try Mod Podge? So this is an experiment. I wanted to see if it would take well, do a few coats, and then see how it did. This was a test that I did on my first pour painting. Kind of looked like a candy-coated painting when I was done with it. It gives this cool little glazed effect. So this first one I'm doing is a paintbrush method. And you'll see here that I'm doing 3 different styles just to see how they turn out. And with Mod Podge, you just gotta be patient and get the layering to the right thickness. Get it as even as you can. If you find any clumps, you can just use the corner of your brush to flick them out. I had a few in mine, as you can see. Even Steven. I'm going to speed this up a little bit for you. We're on hyper mode now. Originally it was a 20-minute video, so I wanted to speed it up a little bit. Make sure you get all the edges in there as well. Now for the next one. Trying it with a popsicle stick. So we're just using the glossy Mod Podge. So all 3 are the same, just different methods of applying. With this one, I want to try to give it a different kind of texture look. So again, you just want to bring it back and forth, go all the way across and on the edges as well. Try to make it even as possible. When I was looking up how to apply resin, they mentioned a plastic kind of piece that you can scrape from one side to the other. It's kind of where I got the idea. Trying this again, though, I would recommend a thicker, larger one because it kind of falls over easily. Let me know if this is something you've tried, if you've had any luck with it, or if you're really into resin, what's your favorite part about it and what's your least favorite. I will be trying resin in a later video. This was an idea I found when I was looking for resin alternatives. I didn't really see much out there, so I wanted to try this and see how it would go. I think you'll like the results. It's pretty cool. You just need to allow plenty of time to dry in between the layers. I found that at least 2 or 3 days worked in between layers of Mod Podge and spray. Just getting that clean as possible. Make sure you go around the edges and then the bottom as well. It is somewhat tedious and time consuming. Just keep that in mind. And for the last one, something different. Give that a nice coat and get out any clumps. This one was probably my favorite out of the 3. Basically finger painting. You just want to make sure it's not too thick on there. This part was definitely the most zen part about the 3 of them. Brings you back to your childhood kind of thing. Again, we're going to get the edges and the corners. Make sure all that's coated. And we're going to speed it up for you again. You can get these pans at the Dollar Tree, dollar store. Come in handy for sure. After that's dried for a few days, we're going to use this clear spray from Krylon. Give it a generous coating. Horizontal, vertical, and then the edges. Don't worry, this is sped up too. I can't spray that fast. You probably shouldn't. If your cap falls off, just make sure that you point it away from yourself when you put it back on the nozzle. That's what I had to do there. And after a few days, here's the results. Let's see, it's super glossy, shiny, and textured. This one has a nice brush effect. Here's the textured popsicle one. And then the last method with the finger painting method. It's pretty cool. And then here's all three. Thanks for watching today. Really appreciate you stopping by.